So guys, today we're drawing the smile cat from Zoonomaly, and like some people say it's catnap and cartoon cat mixed together to the smile cat creature, but I don't know. First I'm gonna do a sketch, then I can do a marker. So for his head, we need this curve right here, then do this shape right here. Then his ears right here. Also need to do for the other side. Looks like a rabbit. So correct way is do like a triangle shape. Okay. Now we need to put something inside, another triangle inside. Now this creepy mouth, do like a smile right here, then right here, and for his nose and his eye. Now for his body, we curve right here, then straight body right here, then curve right here, straight, another curve right here. Now another one and another one. Now let's trace out a marker. Okay, now this one we only need like black, like that's the only color we need. So need to color the ears and the eyes. Pretty sure they're all black. The eyes are black. First mouth. Okay, for details. Okay, this is how you draw the smile cat from the Zoonomaly, and I'll draw more cat characters from Zoonomaly. And peace up.